Hey guys, this is a new Bmw Z4. First of all, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. But let's get started. So this is the joystick which you can use to control the infotainment system, which is features new Bmw iDrive 7. So you can fiddle around with the car settings like so. And you can also measure the G-force when you're driving. Talking about practicality, it's got storage space over here, so you can charge your phone, and it's got space for 2 cup holders as well. So you can put your drinks there. Talking about the transmission, it's got a 8-speed ZF gearbox, and this to go back, and you can use this knob to control the infotainment system. I must say the infotainment system is very nice. It's very driver friendly. You can control the volume using this knob. And these are the air vents for the passenger, and on the left hand side is the driver air vents. It's got a new digital dash, which is featured in most of the BMWs like the 8 Series, the 5 Series and the 3 Series. 3-spoke leather wrapped steering wheel, and all electronic windows for the driver and the passenger. On the bottom right you've got the bonnet release and your light controls. Really decent space for the passenger with ambient lighting on the left hand side. Overall very nice design and layout. In terms of the boot space in the Z4, you get about 281 litres in space in total, but the thing to note is in the Porsche 718 you do get 405 litres, which is a lot more.